Introducing OptiVision, a new level of visibility. Finding level has never been easier with Capro's new red bubble vial. Capro's OptiVision vial uses the color contrast between the red bubble edge and the vial's clear liquid and white background to make the horizontal vial a cinch to read, even in low light or bright conditions. The level's unique design means that the vial is tilted towards the user, making it even quicker and simpler to get a precise level reading every time. Capro's patented plumb sight dual view vial includes new red effect technology for a higher contrast ratio and improved viewing. In addition to the traditional side view, the plumb sight offers a unique front view of the plumb vial, making vertical leveling jobs easy and more accurate. Epoxy-locked shockproof vials and vial housings, plus a finely milled leveling surface, guarantee the factory-calibrated accuracy of 0.5 mm per meter, or 0.029 degrees for the life of the level. The reinforced profile with a bridge at the horizontal vial means increased toughness and a continuous surface for marking. Rubber protrusions on the handle and end caps grip the work surface. The comfortable rubber hand grips make it a pleasure to use and insulate the user's hand against extremes of temperature. Oversized shock-absorbing rubber end caps protect the level's integrity even after multiple knocks and falls. Capro, leading the market with its revolutionary inventions. Tools with vision.